Hi, welcome to a really quick Year 3 Maths Written Method special. So this is a really quick quiz using the main methods we use in class. So this week we've had a bit of a recap over the methods we use for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So it's just one question for each of the 4 methods. So first of all, you've got a column addition to solve. 665 add 325. Don't forget which side to start at. That's right, it's the ones. Pause the video and work it out. Is it 995? Is it 990? Or is it 790? Which answer did you get? It's not 995 and it's not 790. Well done if you got 990. How did we get that answer? We got it because we started at the ones, adding the 5 and the 5 to make 10. We can't write 10 in the ones column, so we exchange the extra 10 and pop it into the tens column by adding a tiny one underneath the bottom line. We can then move on to the tens column, add 60 and 20 to make 80. Don't forget that extra 110 to make 90. Finally move on to the hundreds. 600 add 300 is 900. So our answer, that's right, 990. Here's a subtraction now. We do it in exactly the same way, apart from the fact that when we have a number that is bigger on the bottom, we can't just switch the numbers. So we have to knock next door and exchange a 10. What did you get? 482, 623 or 627? It's not 482 and it's not 623. Great job if you got faster than me. 627. How do we get that? Well, we look at the ones and it's 1 take away 4. We can't do that, and we can't just switch the numbers to make 3. So what do we have to do? Well, we knock next door at the tens and we say, excuse me, can we exchange? And tens are very kind, and they exchange one of their tens, the 60, to make 50. We put that extra 10 into our ones column. So 1 is now 11. We can now complete the subtraction. 11 take away 4 is 7. 50 take away 30 is 20. And 800 take 200 is 60. Great job if you got it right. Here's our multiplication method. Our multiplication method is a grid method. So here we've got 43 times 4. So we draw the grid across, down, and down again, and we add the times in the corner to show we're multiplying. What answer did you get? Can you remember the method? Did you get 43? Did you get 162? 172? Or 122? Pause the video and work it out. It's not 43 and it's not 162. We're getting close. Which is it? Well done if you got 172. How did we get that? We first partitioned the 43 into 40 and 3. We place the 4 underneath. We can then use times tables we already know to help us. We don't know 40 times 4, but we know 4 times 4 is 16. So we make 16 10 times bigger to make 160. We then complete 4 times 3, which is 12. Our final stage is to add the 2 answers together. 160 add the 12 is 172. And I did that by popping the 0, adding the extra 10 on to the 160 to make 170, and then the 2. Great job if you got that right. It's a new method. Our final one is a division. We've been doing it on a number line so far. Let's see. What's 16 divided by 4? Is it 9? Is it 12? Is it 4? Or is it 7? Use a number line and try and work it out. It's not 9. It's not 12. Which is it? It's 4. Great job if you got it right. Don't forget you need to show the number line. Have a look. So we draw a blank number line. And what we have to do is start at 16 and take away 4 until we get down to 0. So we take away 4 to land at 12. Take away another 4 to land at 8. Take away another 4 to land at 4. And one more 4 gets us to 0. We then count the jumps. How many 4s did we need to get back to 0 from 16? We needed 4. Absolutely brilliant if you got that. Woohoo! I hope you'll be an expert at all these written methods for this year. Why not try some of your own and get to be an expert? See you soon.